Shopee, it's just a very simple, mobile app. But what goes behind the scenes of this app is that there's actually a lot of work in making this app, user-friendly for everyone, making our lives better through technology. Shopee saw, there's an increasing need to actually develop the Singapore community to acquire more data skills. And therefore, we actually came out with a series called Tech Shopee. It's a series of events, workshops, boot camps, all kinds of programs and initiatives to actually equip the community to acquire data skills. Essentially, Shopee is trying to groom the next generation. So I think it benefits the entire Singapore economy in future as well.
Our partnership with Shopee has been for a long time now. We conduct a lot of events throughout the year, and Shopee has been our sponsor from the past 2 years. A lot of the engineers, data scientists, data analysts, product managers, they come down, they share their experiences, they share products they're working on and some of the technical stuff, like let's say what's the architecture behind Shopee's database. The Tech at Shopee project, which conducts the National Data Science Challenge and I'm the Best Coder Challenge, which promotes people from non-tech backgrounds to come and take part irrespective of their age. The best ideas always come out from people who are non-technical, creative backgrounds, try to collaborate with people with technical backgrounds.
Tech Shopee is still pretty new, but of course we want to dream bigger. We want to also reach out to more and more people out there. Shopee signed the Digital Participation Pledge because it is our commitment and to also help Singaporeans acquire important and essential technical skills to prepare themselves for the future digital economy.